Welcome to the latest episode of Weekly Immigration News by Raju Law. This week we brought to you 4 latest developments in the immigration arena. Let's start with the headlines. DHS to supplement H-2B cap. Revised policy on lawful admission for naturalization. Visa bulletin for December 2024. Medical examination documentation validity for Afghans. Let's get into details. DHS, in consultation with DOL, announced that it expects to make an additional 64,716 H-2B temporary non-agricultural worker visas available for fiscal year 2025, on top of the congressionally mandated 66,000 H-2B visas that are available each fiscal year. Next up, USCIS has issued updated policy guidance clarifying that naturalization applicants need only demonstrate lawful admission for permanent residence at their initial entry or adjustment of status, not for subsequent re-entries, in line with a recent 4th Circuit ruling. Moving on, DOS posted the December 2024 visa bulletin, including final action dates for filing, and updates on the DV program and SIVs. USCIS determined that for December 2024, applicants in all family-sponsored and employment-based preference categories must use the dates for filing charts. However, the December visa bulletin shows no advancement for either family-based or employment-based categories. Finally, USCIS has updated its guidance in the USCIS Policy Manual, Volume 8, Part B, Chapter 3, to reflect the indefinite validity of immigration medical examination documentation for certain Afghan nationals who arrived in the United States during Operation Alice.